morning, friends! Let's fly with the birds of the world today. Birds are vertebrates with wings and feathers. Most birds can fly using their powerful muscles to flap their wings. But some birds' wings are not strong enough to fly, hence, they are flightless. Birds' bodies are covered with light and tough feathers. They also have light skeletons. They have horn-like beaks or bills. Birds hatch from eggs. They build nests where their eggs and young develop safely. They have exceptional vision, the most acute of their senses. But their sense of smell is not highly developed, and their auditory range is only limited. Most types of bird species are diurnal, meaning they sleep at night. Many birds eat insects, seeds, or fruit, while some eat meat and leaves. Birds have roughly 10,400 species around the world. Birds are more closely related to reptiles and are believed to have evolved from dinosaurs. Characteristics: feathers. All bird species have feathers. Like nails and hair on humans, feathers are made out of keratin. Feathers provide warmth to birds and also assists in the ability to fly. Wings. Wings are a primary characteristic of birds. Strong muscles in their chest help to propel wings, allowing them to fly. Bird bodies are curved specifically to give lift to the wings. Some types of birds are capable of swimming like penguins. They have wings that are shaped like flippers. Skeleton. Most birds have lightweight skeletons made up of hollow bones. Flightless birds have heavy bones. Birds have large breastbones or sternums that provide sturdy points of attachment for muscles of the wings. Eggs. Birds give birth by laying eggs. Birds' eggs have hard shells that are mostly made out of calcium. The wide majority of bird species build nests for their eggs to care for their hatchlings. Both male and female birds take care of their young. Beaks. All bird species have beaks or bills. The shape of a bird's beak provides strong clues about its dietary habits. The beak plays a crucial role in feeding. Examples. Small perching birds examples include yellow-headed blackbird, American dipper, northern mockingbird. Birds that live on or near water are wood duck, mallard, and brown pelican. Some hunting birds are the following: bald eagle, peregrine falcon, great horned owl. Some ground-dwelling birds include partridges, turkeys, ostriches. Other types of birds include cuckoos, woodpeckers, hummingbirds. Bird trivia. The smallest living bird is acknowledged to be the bee hummingbird, which is 2.5 inches long and weighs less than 3 grams. The bird with the greatest wingspan is the wandering albatross, which reaches up to 3.5 meters or 11.5 feet. The trumpeter swan has the greatest weight, 17 kilograms or 37 pounds. The largest known flying bird so far was Terratornis, which lived 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. That's it for today. Thank you for listening and watching, learning friends. See you again on our next Science Facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.